Hello everyone, I'm Sana and I welcome you all to my channel. Today I'm making a Cricut insert card using my Cricut Maker 3. So let's begin. So for this project I'm using my Cricut Maker 3 and my laptop for the software, a card mat, some insert cards from Cricut and some tools to help us through and a brayer. Next we will head on to design space where we will choose our design. So on the top search bar, I am going to type in floral thanks insert card. So there are multiple designs available on design space. So I am going to go ahead and choose this one. Once I choose it, I am going to set the card size to R20 and then click on make it. The design is already set, so let's make. Now the mat is loading. We can see the card is placed already on the mat, so let's just continue. I am now switching on my machine and connecting it via Bluetooth to my device. We can now follow along the on-screen instructions. So I will choose my base material first. So the base material that we'll need today is insert card. So I'm going to type in insert card and we'll get an option. I'm going to click on it, press done. The software tells us to move the star wheels. So we are going to slowly move the star wheels. Star wheels are the 4 white pieces that help guide the mat under the roller. We will also load the fine point blade into the clamp B and close it very carefully. I am choosing my insert cards from this set. So they are R20 size. So I'll choose a grey off-white color for the card. And for the insert, I'm going for a tan color. You're open to experiment with any color combination of your choice. I'm sticking with this gray and tan for my project today. Next, I'm taking my 2x2 card mat that is used for the Explore and Maker machines and I'm removing the protective film which protects the mat from dirt. So I'm making sure to remove both the protective films so they do not get jammed while cutting in the machine. Now slowly and very carefully slide the card into the mat. Make sure to use slow and gentle motion so that you can easily place the card and align it to the R20 line that is on the mat. So I'm just making sure that it's well aligned and then you can place the card. You can also use a brayer tool to flatten it so that it adheres well. Next, place the card mat under the rolling guides and then press the flashing load and unload button and you will see your machine take in the card mat. Simultaneously, your device will show that the machine is measuring the mat's length. Once that's done, the machine will prepare for your cut and you will have to press the flashing go button that is indicated on your machine. The machine will then detect if the blade that is inserted into the clamp B is the fine point blade and then it will start its cutting job. Now all you have to do is wait and watch the machine do its magic. Once the cut is done, the machine will prompt us to unload the mat. To unload, click on the flashing unload load button. Our card is beautifully cut. We will use the spatula tool to slowly lift off the card from the edges of the sticky mat. We will gently use our hands and maneuver it to remove it without tearing the card. Be as gentle and slow as you can. Quickly place back the protective layers as soon as you are done to ensure the longevity of your mat. Slowly remove any of the additional pieces stuck in the card using a weeding tool. And one last step is to insert the card into the 4 corners. And voila, our card is ready.